creating a functional prototype, you know, it's seen a lot in the industry that there are prototypes created out of 3D printing. You can do it out of a sandcast mold that's 3D printed. You can do it out of the sandcast one-off mold. You know, it's seen a lot in billet and machining that we talked about earlier. But really getting involved again with that engineer and that end goal in mind of, is this going to casting process, and really understanding, okay, we are doing it out of, you know, something to get a quick prototype, really understand, get form, fit, feel, and function in our hands, but really understanding the end goal in mind and working with an engineer to really understand that. So in doing that, you know, you don't want to jeopardize the part's integrity at all. You know, you mentioned it in the previous slide, don't ever design. So you can design something, and just because you design it, it doesn't necessarily make it manufacturable. So again, you know, if you're going through and you're machining a part out of billet, or you're prototyping it some other way, keep in mind the end goal and really develop it from that perspective, and reach out early on. You know, start talking to engineers early on from different vendor possibilities to understand, you know, what makes sense. Because, you know, permanent mold, sand casting, die casting, extrusions, you know, there's different processes. Not everything fits with every process.